I have a bear. This is my tiny bear. Look at it. Precious. Look at the cuteness.
Hello, I'm a tiny bear. I've got a finger mustache.
So, do you know when you're like sitting in your living room and you're with your family and all of a sudden they break out a bag of popcorn and you're like, yeah, it's that popcorn, that movie or a television show, like sitting there, and all of a sudden the sad part comes in the movie and you're just bawling your eyes out for no reason because it's sad. Like a horse got ran over by Hulk Hogan's giant truck. I don't know. Something like that. What? You just leave and she had nowhere to go and you ran the fucking horse over with the fucking truck. Why would you do that? I hate you. Why did she have to die? Why couldn't you just live?
Madison, you'd better listen. This
I'm
is
listening.
one of the problems we have.
All the problems.
Yeah.
My cat's a pedophile. Like, no joke.
To you, let's take this back. Come on, I'm going down there now, and we'll give it back.
I had my first toaster strudel, and I jizzed my pants. I exploded everywhere. Everywhere. I mean, it was gross. It was just like this, exactly like this white wall. Everywhere. It was so great. I'm addicted. Yep.
Check it out.
You know what the worst thing ever is? Is to find a hair in your freaking Taco Bell burrito. Okay? That's the worst thing ever. I freaked out. I flipped a bitch. I went up to that counter and I was like, dude, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Is this a hair in my burrito? Are you literally trying to kill me? This hair could have billion of herpes on it. This hair could have some kind of deadly disease. This hair could be off Chewbacca's ass. And you expect me to eat this? What the fuck are you? Are you the manager? Because you're doing a bad job. Ugh, why do you smell like tacos? Ugh. There's somebody at my door. Hold on. Let me see who it is. God, you got me Push-Up Pops. I love you. Yeah! Alright! I'm so happy! So happy! Woo! You guys
My clothes, that's all. Because distant walks, they mean much more.
They have like purple and red. Oh my god, I'm gonna demolish these. They're gonna be gone by tonight.